Question number 3, bundle 7, module 2. A graph is given to us. It's a parabola, upward parabola. Okay. The graph of the quadratic function y is equal to fx is shown. What is the vertex of the graph? So vertex is, let's say this is the parabola. So this is the point. The lowest point here is the vertex, right? And if we see this graph, the vertex is this one. So we have to just find the coordinates of it because it is on the y-axis. So its x coordinate is 0 and the y point is 2. That means 0 to C is the right option. Okay, let's move to next question. The number of raccoons in a 131 square mile area is estimated to be this. These are the number of raccoons. What is the estimated population density in raccoons per square mile of this area? Okay, now let's come out of the question and see an interesting example. Suppose you have a box, right? A cuboidal box, and it has certain area. Let's say this is the area of the box, and you have to fill some chocolates into it. The chocolate will also have some area. So the number of chocolates, the total chocolates are actually number of chocolates times what is the area of one chocolate. So this whole area will be equal to number of chocolates time, number of chocolates time area of one chocolate. So if I just divide by area of chocolate on both sides, right, that will give me number of chocolates. Or if I divide by number on both sides, right, that will give me area of the chocolate. So I am using this formula, the simple concept. It can be written this way or it can be written this way. Now let's come back to question. The number of raccoons in a 131 square mile area is estimated to be this. So this is number, right? 2, 3, 5, 8, and this one is, this is area. So we can manipulate this equation in so many ways. Here it is used in this way. So that is 18. That means A is the question number 5. -11, -9, 26. Okay, 3 observations are given. A data set of 3 numbers is shown. If a number from this data is selected at random, okay, probability, what is the probability of selecting a positive number? See, whenever you see a probability question, just simply try to think in terms of chances. What are the chances, right? So out of these 3 numbers, 1 and 2 and 3, positive number is only 1. So if you pick one number, it can be this or this or this. So total chances are 3, and because positive number is 1, so 1 over 3 chances. So if we write the formula, a denominator always has total number of outcomes and numerator always has favorable, right? That means what is required for us in that particular question. So positive number is only 1 and total numbers are 3. So B is the right option. Okay. The function f gives the monthly fee fx in dollars, a facility charge to keep x crates in storage. X crates. So that means f gives the number of monthly fee in dollars. So that means this fx is fee and this x is number of crates. First we have to decode the data so that if we have to plug in some value, we should know where to plug in that value. What is the monthly fee in dollars? The facility charges to keep 50 crates in storage. 50 crates. That means what is given? X. So that means simply you have to find f of 50, which is 45 times 50 plus 600. This is 2250. 2250 plus 600, that is 2850. So this will be the charge in dollars if 50 crates are to be kept in storage. Good. Let's come to question number 7. The function f is defined by fx is equal to 5 times in parentheses 1 by 4 minus x whole squared plus 11 by 4 If you are seeing this question, it seems, oh my god, so many fractions, there's a square in it. This must be a difficult question. But let's see what is asked. What is the value of f of 1 by 4? What is the value of f of 1 by 4? That means you have to plug x as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is, now half of the math we can do in our head only. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that will be cancelled and you will end up at 0, right? I am writing it because I am just telling you how to do this question. But if you are at a certain level, you have done n number of questions of these kinds, so this should be in your head. This is 0 and any number multiplied by 0, so that is 11 by 4, right? So reach at that stage where you can write this answer directly. So f of 1 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4, and that's done.